Okay, so today on another Customer States video, we actually had this Dodge Ram get brought into us. They thought they actually had either axles or transmission issues because they were hearing a loud rapping noise when they were in reverse or when they were going forward. But actually when we got it up on the lift, it was actually something completely different. So if you look underneath here, we have our fan shroud here. This goes across here. It's a piece of plastic. It was broken. It was hanging down, and if you see the blades of the fan, they were getting hit while the engine was running. So fortunately for this customer, they asked us, you know, is there something simple that we could do for them? Because they thought they were gonna have a big repair bill. And we just said, well, we can cut it off temporarily. If you want to get it fixed, you have to get a new cover. We did notice a lot of other things, suspension work, and because we saved them money on this and it wasn't a big expense, they went ahead and wanted to get the other work done. So it's definitely important to have a mechanic check it out, especially if you hear some really odd noises. It could be something simple. Hopefully it is, maybe sometimes it's not.